Hey, are you just getting started online? Maybe you're an affiliate marketer, maybe you're a network marketer, maybe you've got your own product, or you're trying to sell someone else's product or your local business. If so, you're going to want to stick about in this ad for a few minutes, maybe just 1 minute. And really, maybe you're grinding all the time and you're not seeing the results that you're ideally looking for. Maybe you're managing all these different social media platforms and it's just overwhelming you. Maybe you don't even have any systems in place that actually work for you on the background. If that sounds like you, I'm holding a masterclass that's going to show you how you can contribute 10 times more while working less. If you want access to that masterclass, make sure and hit the link in this video and enter your email address on the next page, and I'm going to send you access to the free masterclass that will show you how you can contribute 10 times more while working less. I'll see you in the masterclass and have a great day. Bye bye.